subject is we have in 151, or language, culture, and society. Question number 4. A status that is placed in the stratification system by their inherited position. Letter A, achieve. Letter B, ascribe. Letter C, restricted. Or letter D, elaborated. So the correct answer for question number 4 is letter B, ascribed. A status that is placed in the stratification system by the inherited position is ascribed. So for our rationalization, one can earn their social status by their own achievements, which is known as achieved status. Again, when we say achieved status, it is earned by their own achievements. On the other hand, one can be placed in the stratification system by their inherited position, which is called ascribed status, which means when you inherit something, that is called ascribed status. So for our next item is we have here, which is an example of an achieved status. Letter A, being a daughter. Letter B, old age. Letter C, race. Or letter D, being honor student. So an example of an achieved status is letter D. The correct answer is being honor student. Why? Again, an achieved status is being owned or earned by someone because of his or her own achievements, and that is not inherited. Being a daughter is not an achievement. Old age is not also an achievement. And letter C, race is not also an achievement. So being an honor student, you get that kind of position because that is based on your own achievement. So the correct answer for question number 5 is letter D, being honor student. Again, why? Because achieved status is earned by their own achievements. So that is another social status. On the other hand, the second status is when you inherit a specific position, which is called ascribed status. So moving on to our next item, which is question number 6. According to Bernstein's theory, what type of code does working class use in their speech patterns? Letter A, elaborated code. Letter B, restricted code. Letter C, high prestige. Or letter D, low prestige. So the correct answer is letter B, restricted code. So for our rationalization, in the year 1971, according to Bernstein, a working class person communicates in restricted code as a result of the conditions in which they were raised and the socialization process. So that's why the correct answer is restricted code.